Jury selection in the Derek Chauvin trial has officially ended.
After 11 days of questioning hundreds of people, the 15th juror was seated this morning. KTTC's Kamaria Bray is here to tell us what happens next. Kamaria.
Well, Tom and Caitlin, the court comes back at 9 a.m. on Monday. That's the big day when opening statements begin. Now that 15th juror is only temporary until Monday, but is needed in case someone else has to drop out.
15 jurors officially seated in the Derek Chauvin murder trial.
The whole point of this 15th juror was to make sure that we have 14 people show up on Monday.
Once those jurors show up, they'll be sworn in.
And at that point, then jeopardy has attached to the case.
Jim McGeaney is a criminal defense attorney based in Rochester.
Then the jurors would get some preliminary jury instructions before the start of the trial.
This is a look at who those people are. Men and women, age ranging from their 20s to 60s. And racial makeup being black, white, and multiracial. The group to hear opening statements Monday.
Each attorney, starting with the state, gets to try to give the jurors kind of a roadmap about how the evidence is going to come in. So you're allowed to tell the jury what you believe the evidence is going to show.
He also says the defense can choose not to do an opening statement until the state rests their case.
In my practice, I always make an opening statement because it's your opportunity to speak to the jury right away.
After that, the state begins calling witnesses. And it's important to note Chauvin has the choice on whether he wants to testify or not. But those jurors need to pay attention to every detail of this trial.
They need to listen to witness testimony and then evaluate the witness's credibility or believability. And then they need to observe and evaluate the other evidence to determine the questions of fact in this case. And the ultimate question of fact, did the defendant cause the death of Mr. Floyd?
Now this afternoon, George Floyd's family's attorneys released a statement saying, quote, "We are pleased that the jury has been seated and Chauvin trial can proceed. After hearing the facts, we hope and expect the jury to deliver a just verdict. This is not a hard case. George Floyd had more witnesses to his death than any other person ever, white or black." Again, opening statements begin Monday at 9 a.m. McGeaney estimates in this trial it may last at least half the day. Caitlin?